Are BMWs banned in the 24 hours of lemons? Short answer, no.
Gut. Guten Abend zusammen. Hey. Es geht mir gut, ich mein, es könnte weiß Gott schlimmer sein. Klar ist Komfort, man schließt sich in sein Zimmer ein. San Deprimuk und Spinnereien. Und findet alles nur noch so höchstens zweite bis dritte Wahl.
But the reason that this topic might be on the minds of some of you is that we've been very public in that, like, we're tired of BMWs, we're tired of Miatas, we want you to show up in a flathead Ford-powered something or a weird French car. And that is mostly true. We do want to see weird stuff, but more importantly than our desire to see weird stuff is to see you in whatever car you like show up at a Lemons race. And if that happens to be a BMW, that's great. The reason why BMWs get a lot of hate in Lemons is really twofold. One, they're common. There are a lot of BMWs in Lemons. Two, the reason they're common is that they're a really good choice. They're available for cheap, they're reasonably durable, they're reasonably quick. Because of that, I think a lot of people think of it as the easy way out. Anybody can get a BMW and do well in a Lemons race. First of all, that's not entirely true. For every E30 that's won a race, there's been one that's come in DFL. But generally speaking, it's a solid choice for Lemons, and if that's what the make or break between having you show up, by all means, go out, get yourself a BMW, show up. There are, of course, ways to really ingratiate yourself, even as a BMW racer, to your fellow Lemons competitors and Lemons staff. And that is dressing your BMW up like something totally ridiculous. If you show up with a BMW that's done up in the classic red, white, and blue motorsport touring car scheme, it's not gonna be that exciting to us. But if you take your E30 chassis BMW and say dress it up as the Homer from The Simpsons, you're gonna be legendary. So it's really not that hard. You can have your cake and eat it too. You could be a Lemons fan favorite, but also have BMW performance and reliability under the skin. Everyone's happy. Lemons staff likes it, the competitors like it. So if you're one of those people thinking about doing a BMW but worried that Lemons won't accept you, first of all, we will. Second of all, if you want us to accept you and love you, do something really stupid with your BMW.
Thanks for watching Lemons World.
Don't forget to subscribe.